Is it time to clean and insulate your attic? Are you in the middle of getting proposals from contractors to clean and insulate your attic? Today we're going to talk about 3 costly mistakes that homeowners do when choosing a contractor. Actually, the contractors are making the mistake, but you will not. My name is Sean from Atticare, and for over 12 years I'm helping homeowners become more comfortable in their homes and make sure that their home is healthier and energy efficient. We truly believe you can learn a lot about the health of the home just by looking into the attic and crawl space. So let's start with one that I see almost in every house, and actually in this home as well. As you can see behind me, there is a lot of blown insulation, but underneath the blown there is a different type of insulation that is all filled with either rodent feces or mold and mildew. And a lot of homeowners, they are not aware that this is exactly like putting Band-Aid on a wound from a gun. What happens is that when you put new insulation on top of old insulation that is contaminated with rat feces, what you're essentially creating is poor air quality. Plus rodents getting attracted more and more to this area because they mark territory with feces and urine. And what we do and good contractors do, they're going to remove all the old insulation, they're going to sanitize and clean the right way. Now let's talk about how much money you can save by doing that. If you put blown insulation on top, next time you're going to have to do the service, and you will, it's going to be way more costly because the garbage fee, it's going to take more time. Think about removing all this fluffy stuff behind me. That's not going to take a day. It's going to be expensive. Besides that, the health benefit is enormous. The second mistake is that they missed what I called the air sealing portion of the service, which is essentially sealing air pockets or air gaps between your living space and the attic. Air sealing saves a lot of money when you do it correctly. If you don't do it, it's basically translates to maybe another $30–40 monthly, but sometimes it's $200–300 monthly on your energy bill. So just by removing the old insulation and air seal and put new insulation, you can save a lot of money. So if you can imagine, in the attic you have electrical wires and you have air ducts and you have vents and you have pipes. Basically a lot of energy is getting lost through this area. So you cannot do this service simply if you don't remove all the old insulation, because you will not see. The third thing is that in order to make sure that your home is rodent proof, seal the areas with mesh and metal so rodents cannot get in. You can do this service only when all the insulation is removed completely. So if you want to make sure that your home is energy efficient and the air quality of your home is better, you gotta do things the right way. If you have questions, you want somebody from our company to come and evaluate your attic or crawl space, give us a call. We do free estimation. We're gonna go all the way into the attic or crawl space. We're gonna dig inside and underneath the insulation, make sure you don't have any rodent feces and no mold. And we will give you a quote to do things the right way, so you only need to do this service once.